Hey guys, so I think this will be my best video if you are talking about NFT Crypto Alpha. So let's get straight to it. First of all, you see this project, the Decentralized Science World. Why I am bullish on it. So let's get straight to the post. So there is this guy, he posted about this project. Here you can see basically this is a decentralized science project. Decentralized science is one of the most biggest growing ecosystems in crypto. And first of all, here you can see the team is fully doxed, which means that all the people are, you can see their profiles, their LinkedIn socials. They are not anonymous, which is huge. Now the core team member, I think the CEO or founder is founder of Harvest Finance as well, and I will explain you why this is huge. Here you can see they have actual medical doctors, PhDs, basically real people, real scientists, which you need for decentralized science project. There are many scams, but this is legit and this is so early. I will explain you why this is early. Here you can see they will drop a token. It seems like on January 22nd. So there is a token that is coming soon. And first of all, they have a NFT collection. You can see there are 100 basically items. The floor price is 0.26 Ethereum. Now, what makes everything even more bullish is this guy. Now, you see Joshua is a founder of this project, Decentralized World, and Harvest Finance. Now, let's look at Harvest Finance token. First of all, you can see price, market cap, doesn't matter. It was created in 2020. What matters is this. See, this token is listed on Binance and Coinbase. This is huge because he most likely has a knowledge or connections to basically be listed on these, the biggest exchanges in the world, Binance and Coinbase. And if you are connecting the dots, I think there are only 900 items of basically 900 NFTs. You can see this guy posted about NFT that there are many utilities for this NFT, and in my opinion, I think there will be a token allocation for NFT holders. I don't know this. I think this is a huge probability, and the best part is that there are so few, not even 10,000. So imagine if basically they drop like 10% of the token to the NFT holders, or even 5%, and if the valuation of the token goes to like 50 million, 100 million. And again, if he gets listing on these exchanges, this means that this NFT could be heavily undervalued. That's basically what I wanted to show you, this basically decentralized science project. And by the way, I am posting new alpha on my Patreon. If you want to get these alpha posts, calls earlier, basically go on my Crypto Alpha basically Patreon. If you want to get in the paid group and get this alpha sooner, join my Patreon. Basically you will get old alpha. I will be restarting posting. I already posted like 3 alpha posts about crypto NFTs, and these are really, really nice posts. Great alpha in my opinion. That's why again I am restarting my Patreon. And another alpha that I also posted on my Patreon is this. You can see there is this collection which is called 555 Collective. The floor price is 0.25 Ethereum, quite cheap. You can see the next listing is 0.45 Ethereum. So as we all know, the less additions in NFT collection, the faster the price can go up. Now, why I am bullish on this collection is this guy, Hunter Orel, is basically the creator of this collection. Really well connected in this space. He's an NFT OG. He was one of the first guys that was in NFTs in the NBA Top Shots when they were basically popping in 2020, 2021. You can see he's doing podcasts with these huge influencers like G Money. I think he basically created this utility, I mean, this partnership with this project. Let's see. So there is his collection. Now here you can see basically working together with this Ryu Studios. And what this is an NFT or NFT, I think NFT project on Abstract. I think if Hunter Orel is well connected, there will be a great alpha as we get closer to a bull run. And there are many huge, basically influencers, many huge crypto people in this 555 collection. That's why if you are interested in closed groups, alpha, basically information from OGs like Hunter Orel, well, again, very well connected guy. That's basically my recommendation. Go on this collection, see if you want to get this token. If you want to get as soon as possible, because many people watching my videos are buying the NFTs that I am talking about. And again, if you want to get alpha like this earlier and don't miss out on these collections, these alpha posts, follow me on Patreon. This is paid Patreon, by the way, $9.99 a month. Not that expensive, looking at the fact that I am showing you these alpha, basically, projects. And again, I think this decentralized science world is one of the best project that I have found, because again, NFTs are quite cheap for this edition count, 0.20 for Ethereum. There is a token coming. I think most likely that NFT holders will get the token. And again, the CEO is a CEO of Harvest Finance. Harvest Finance is listed on Binance and Coinbase. That's why if this decentralized science ecosystem narrative gets big, this project definitely gets big as well. And there is a high probability to getting listed on Binance and Coinbase. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. And again, I have my Patreon where I post before YouTube videos. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.